Well, what will happen, according to state law, we have only 30 days to fill this seat. And so what we will do is on Monday, after Joe's been laid to rest and had his funeral, on Monday we will do a public notification of the process, which will say anyone who meets the requirements can apply to be considered to be appointed for the remainder of Joe's term for this seat, which is just over 2 years left. And we will receive those applications and their resumes, and then we will have a public meeting devoted just to this, where we will publicly interview each candidate that we choose to. It'll probably be all of them. It'll be just a very few minutes. It's like very public. It'll be open to the public. Any discussion will be in the public eye, and then the council and the mayor will vote for that replacement. And that person would start immediately, within, I imagine a day or two. Certainly anyone that meets the criteria, including current or previous candidates for city council, could apply, and I would anticipate we may see some of those. The last time we did this was to replace me when I became the mayor, and I had 2 years remaining in my council seat, and Betty Ariel was appointed 6 years ago. And so we know the process a little bit. It seems to work well, and we anticipate going through that once Joe's been laid to rest.